Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to psysigns, where we decode behavior and help you build emotional clarity. And today, we're tackling something almost everyone struggles with: how to get your crush to finally notice you. You see them, you think about them, but it feels like they don't even know you exist. Well, the good news is there are natural, genuine ways to catch their attention without acting fake or desperate. In this video, I'll share 7 little things you can do to make your crush notice you, plus a powerful bonus step at the end that could change everything. Stick around for that one, because it's the real game changer. Let's dive in. 1. Use eye contact intentionally. When someone looks you in the eyes, even briefly, it creates a spark of recognition. Don't stare them down, but when your crush looks at you, hold that gaze just a second longer before looking away. It's a small, confident signal that makes them think, "Wait, did they just notice me?" That's the first step toward flipping the attention back to you. 2. Compliment the small things. Big compliments are nice, but they can feel generic. If you really want your crush to notice you, highlight the little details others might miss. Say something like, "That's a cool ring," or "You always bring good vibes to the group." People remember those thoughtful comments, and they start remembering you. 3. Put yourself in their line of sight. Your crush can't notice you if you're never around. That doesn't mean stalking or being clingy. It just means being present where conversations naturally happen. Join group activities, hang around the same spaces, or even start with a casual "What's up?" when you see them. Presence creates opportunity, and opportunity creates recognition. 4. Let your body language speak. You can actually get your crush to notice you without saying a single word. Face your body toward them, lean in slightly when they talk, smile. These are subconscious signals that radiate interest and confidence. People notice those who make them feel seen and valued. It's magnetic. 5. Highlight common ground. Crushes notice people they feel connected to. If you find something you both enjoy, bring it up naturally. "Wait, you like that show too?" Or "You've been to that cafe? I love it there." Shared experiences create instant familiarity, and that makes you memorable in their mind. 6. Bring your best energy forward. The most attractive thing you can do isn't to copy someone else's style. It's to lean into your own vibe. Whether that's humor, kindness, or just genuine passion about something you love, let that shine. People are drawn to real energy, and your crush will start noticing you because you feel different from the noise around them. 7. Don't overchase. Give them space to notice you. Here's a twist. Sometimes the best way to get noticed is not to try too hard. If you're constantly chasing every interaction, your crush might tune it out. But when you create a little space, it gives them a chance to look back at you. Curiosity grows in the silence, and that's when they really start to notice. Bonus: take that first step. Now, let's get real. Because all of this means nothing if you don't eventually make a move. You can give the best eye contact, drop the smoothest compliments, even share inside jokes. But if you never take that first step, you'll stay in the same place. So here's the truth. Nothing really changes until you decide to be brave. Open your courage box, take that deep breath, and put yourself out there. Whether it's asking them to hang out or simply saying, "Hey, I like talking to you." That's the step that shifts everything. And yes, it's scary. But think about it. Isn't it scarier to stay invisible forever? So there you have it. 7 ways to get your crush to notice you. Plus that bonus truth that can't be skipped. Eventually, you gotta take that first step. And remember, the right person will notice the real you. These tips just help bring your light to the surface. Don't forget to subscribe, because here at psysigns, we're building emotional clarity one truth at a time. See you in the next one.